Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys love the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. It only takes a second to hit on that subscribe button. And also, if you love today's video and if you love this makeup look, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also do leave a comment down below. Also, please do share it with your friends and family. So guys, for today's video I have created this purple glam makeup look. ये जो look है, it is apt for parties guys. I am in love with this makeup look. Here I have used like purple eyeshadow. You can use any eyeshadow of your choice, like any color of your choice, and you can create these kind of makeup looks. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, then please continue watching. To begin with, I'm going to first go in with MAC's Strobe Cream. This one is in the shade Gold Light. Nicely buffing it into my skin. For foundation, I'm using my Huda Beauty foundation stick. This one is in the shade Tres Leches. Let's go in with a concealer now. I'm going to use these two today. This is my Huda Beauty's The Overachiever Concealer in the shade Graham Cracker. And this one is Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the shade G Plus Medium 2. I love both these concealers. On the bridge of my nose, just a little bit over here. For my loose powder today, I'm going to actually mix these two. This is my Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium 20, and this one is my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Blondie. I'm going to mix these two. I have mixed these two powders, Huda Beauty and Maybelline. Let's move on to blush application, and this is my Kiro's Glow On Blush Duo. This one is in the shade Cool Cinnamon Plus Fresh Grapefruit. Okay, this is a lovely shade guys. I absolutely love it, and it's apt for summers. So I'm going to apply this blush now with my Morphe blush brush, which is this. Okay, so let's apply. I'm thinking, should I take both the shades or should I just go with one shade? I'll take both the shades actually. I'll swirl my brush into the pan now. So love the formula, it's very smooth. Okay, tapping off the excess product, smiling. This blush actually gives really beautiful glow. You can see guys, the beautiful sheen, looks very healthy. Can you see? Very beautiful. So guys, I'll quickly finish one side of my eye makeup and I'll see you guys very soon. So yeah, let's begin with the eye makeup now. First, I will be going in with my Kiro High Definition Soothing Eyeliner and Pencil. This one has vitamin E and argan oil in it, and this one is in the shade Earth Brown. I love this pencil guys. It is so amazing. I love the texture. It is very smooth, very creamy, very soft. If you are looking for a really good brown pencil, then this is the one that I will highly recommend. If you love doing brown smoky eyes, you can use this pencil as your eyeshadow base, or you can just apply it and smudge it. It looks really beautiful. very pigmented, as you guys can see, and it sets really fast, guys, so you have to be a little quick with it. So I'm just going to apply this eyeliner close to my lash line, and then I'm going to smudge it. You don't have to be really perfect. Make sure you're applying it very close to your lash line so the skin is not visible. Now with my pencil brush, I am smudging it. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Jackie AINA eyeshadow palette. So the palette looks like this. Going in with this shade, which is Shookington. Okay, it's a really lovely purple color. Taking my blending brush, I'm just blending this shadow. Now going in with Trust Issues. Start applying from the center and then just apply all over your lid. Taking ginger eyeshadow, I'm going to blend the edges. Guys, I'm again going to go in with Shookington. So this is going to be a second layer. Applying now Trust Issues. On my bottom lash line, I will be applying Big Wig. It's a matte purple shadow. So guys, you remember where I had applied my kiro kohl, okay? So on that top of kohl, okay, on that line, I'm going to apply this matte shadow. On my waterline, I'm going in with my ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in the shade Amethyst Hour. On my tear duct, I'm going to go in with Trust Issues. Applying MAC's Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. So guys, let's move on to lips now. First, I will be outlining my lips with K Beauty's lip liner. This one is in the shade Hype. And for my lip shade today, I will be applying Kiro's Lush Moist Matte Lipstick. This one is in the shade Ginger Tea. Love the color. It's very beautiful. And lastly, I'm going to set my makeup with Smashbox Primer Water. You can set your makeup with this primer water, and also you can use it throughout the day to refresh your makeup. Love this product. Guys, I completely forgot to apply my Charlotte Tilbury powder. So I'm just going to quickly apply it under my eyes. This one is in the shade Medium.